Select the Type tool and type your text. Select No Color for the fill and pick a stroke color. Adjust the stroke weight to your liking. You can use the selection tool to resize and move the text. Go to Type. Create outlines. Select the Direct Selection tool. Select the area of the text that you want to stretch and use the arrow keys to stretch it. Select the entire text. Select the Shape Builder. Connect the parts of the text that overlap. And that's how you stretch letters to connect them.